Put a coin in the refrigerator and you won't believe what will happen. Few people know the importance of doing this at home. Doing this at home could save your life. If you have a refrigerator at home, it is most likely that you have frozen food inside. Many of these foods tend to overcook quickly, especially if it is meat. In some places in the country, the electricity service usually stops working either for maintenance or efficiency, which can cause the food in the refrigerator to defrost and refreeze when the service is restored. This is a problem, as this can cause the stored food to be damaged, and more specifically, if you go to work or on vacation, you won't know if the electricity service has failed or for how long it did. Some people prepare these foods without knowing that they are damaged and can affect their consumption. Today, I will teach you a quick technique that will help you avoid this problem so that you can recognize when the things stored in the refrigerator are expired or not, and using only a coin. The first thing you should do is take a container and fill it with water. I would like to know from which country you see me to send you a greeting in a next video. Today's greeting is for Paulina Sepulveda from Colombia. Then take it to the refrigerator and let it rest for 2 hours so that it freezes completely. After this time, you will have an ice container just like me. At this point, we will take the coin and place it on top, right in the middle of the container. I will briefly tell you the details of how this works. Next, we put it back in the refrigerator and close it. At this point, we can go to work, go on vacation, or any other errand we have pending to do. When you come back, you just have to go to the refrigerator and open it. If at this point you see that the coin you put is still on the surface of the container and you can take it in your hands, it means that there has been no prolonged electrical cut and that all the foods are intact and you can eat them. On the contrary, if you open the refrigerator again and notice that the coin is not visible or is under the surface, it means that there was an electrical blackout and the ice melted, causing the coin to sink. So you must carefully review these foods, as they may be damaged and you should not eat them. www.alimenta.com